All right, so now that we have some melodic ideas flowing for the overall track, we can go ahead and start throwing in the drums for the intro just to get the DJ session or the DJ section finished here. So pretty easy to do. Let's go ahead and just copy some kicks, and then it's just a matter of simple EQ volume automation here. So let's go ahead and highlight all that. Control C, Control V, Command V if you're on a Mac. Let's take away these guys and then have the full transient come in on bar 5 here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna automate this low cut parameter here. So we're going to basically have it come in right here. So the bass is gonna have, or sorry, the kick is going to have not as much low end on it, just for little, for 4 bars or so, and then on bar 5 it's gonna kick in with the full bass, as well as the transient right here. It's a little bit too much. Let's go down a little bit. And let's actually continue it a little bit further. So let's take off the lock so we can copy the automation. And then it'll come in, the full kick will come in right here. I might have to extend the intro actually just to let it roll for a little bit. And then the fill is going to come in right there. So let's go ahead and add that. Actually, we added it too far. Let's just have that guy. And then I don't want this little gap here, so let's just go ahead and duplicate this guy. And the snare is a little loud. Let's go ahead and just automate the volume automation here. Like so. Okay, so obviously I'm going to add more layers here to it, including more melodic layers, because it needs the hype, excuse me, the hype up to when you get to the second section of the intro here. You want to add a riser, and once I get to the effects part, you'll hear it kind of progress a little bit further. But for now, it sounds a little basic when you just have the basic drums here. So we want to add a couple more layers. Let's go ahead and add the clap layer as well here. And then let's automate the volume as well here on this one. So just bring it down to maybe 25. want that section here. So let's just duplicate it. I didn't want that gap right there. And then for this guy, we're gonna go ahead and automate the volume coming in. Yeah, let's just do that. So we can actually filter it. Now let's just do volume automation. Could be easier.